One of the favorite entertainments of Kazakh children was and remains a traditional game asık. Asık is a bone from sheep or ram's knee joint, which sometimes colored in different colors. Depending on its size, asık has different value. Every participant of the game must have his own saka. The aim of the game is throwing his own saka to beat out asıks of the playing participants, putting into a round. Who manages to do it takes the beaten out asık for himself. The game continues till asık remains on the kitty. The game develops the sharp shooting of the children. Asık has 4 different names of position. These names called alşı. If I will turn up, then it will called tayke. The next is this position, buk. Its called name is buk. The next one is, you turn on opposite side, şık. Just şık. Şık, alşı, tayke, buk. Дос мырза, сіз асық туралы не білесіз?
Асық ол қазақтың дәстүрлі ойын.
Кішкентай кезінде асық ойнап па едіңіз?
Әрине ойнаған. Сөйтіп болған жоқпын, бірақ өз көршімде жақсы ойыншылардың біреуі болған.
Асық ойнауды көрсете аласыз ба бізге?
Бұл асықты екі адам ойнаса, екеуінің сақасына алып иіреді. Егер де қайсысы алып тұратын болса, мысалы алып тұратын болса, онда biraz sakasını tükürüyordu. Kendisi adam alıştırılan adam bir çıkıp atardı. O kimisi yürüdü. İkinci adam ikize girdi. O arttan son her bir asıkta 3 taban ölçüydü. Eğer de 3 tabana nasip edilirse asıkta utkan bopsanlardı. Özde bazı asıklar
About Kazakh national game asık.
Yes, I can. I just learned how to play, and what surprised me at first was you need the knee of a sheep, and you have a few of them here, and it's a little bit like our English game when we play with marbles, which are glass balls. And what you have to do is put them in a line on the ground, like that, and then the thrower in this competition has to take a few steps back, and then he has to try and hit one of the sheep's knees. So I'm going to try that one now, but I think I'm going to miss, because I missed last time. Okay, I'm getting better.
Okay.
Great. So I got one. I think it's a great game. They told me that, Rinat told me that this is mainly a game for boys, and I know that in England we play marbles. It's exactly the same, glass balls, one glass ball in the hand, and you've got to try and hit the other ones. And you can have many hours of excitement playing and trying to be champion.
Thank you very much.